Remember, the YouTube ads feed the ducks. Alright, it's June the 20th and it's day 22 of the baby chicks, which are now chickens. And they are growing. We've had to put a fan in because we've got some serious heat wave hitting us right now, and the poor chicks yesterday got seriously overheated. But look at the size of these things. Day 22, and like you could almost eat them. That guy there is like a small roaster. Like, just not, look at the feet on them. So the poor chickens are hot right now. So I gotta come home early today and open the door again and get the fan going. Because it hit 97 in here yesterday, which is way too hot for the meat birds. They were really fanning hard. Lots of water, decent ventilation, and the heat wave, which is going to end the next 4 days of heat. So, but that's it, day 22. And those suckers grow like a really bad weed.